What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Fixin Two. Let me just clarify one thing. We have a big family. I'm one of 5, so we have a big car. And something we like to do is we like to take friends in the van, and we like to take them out to see Christmas lights with us. So in today's video, we're going to install some Christmas lights in the top of the roof of the van.
Welcome to Fixin Two Extras.
So first step is we're going to take these screws out and then take them out here. The battery in a Mercedes Sprinter van is right here, about. So we're going to somehow wire the battery into this, which is like a battery pack thing that wires into a battery. Yeah, battery converter. So yeah, we're just gonna do that real quick. So now that we got this out, I'll just throw that right there. We're going to try to take this mat out right here. I would like to call it a foot mat, but it's really not. It's just try not to crease it too much. I might have to.
You pick it up from there.
Okay. Battery should be right under here. So this is where the battery is. Wow, that's a big battery. So I've not seen it before. That's a pretty big battery. Oh, so first off, what we need to do is negative and positive.
Clean all that stuff out. Go get the vacuum cleaner.
Okay. Okay, now that's done. He is prepping wires. Professional stuff. Wouldn't that be too close? Because the middle part's like right here.
Just want to squeeze the metal part, not the plastic part on the outside. Well, most of it is that one. Squeeze it and then, nope, lost the wire.
Oh, guys. Take this in. Shove it in there. I'm gonna use these.
It hurts. Yeah, they're smaller. I think you're up there far enough on it. There you go.
We're just gonna. Totally did a better job.
Tug. Red ones.
No. No. It's okay. So it's flat, and I don't really feel like banging it out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flatten it out. So got the wires hooked up here. It took a lot of time, and they just kept falling out. So we taped the heck out of them. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off a good bit of.
That's way too much.
You can always shave off more.
Right. You need light right here. Well, my thought is I'm going to put it right here, and then the way this rubber is, I can tuck it down behind the rubber and rut it into this
Okay.
part that already has
Yes, and I think
the
that
cables
needed
running
more
through the back,
because
and tuck it in there to go
that
to
did
the
not just
battery.
happen.
Alright, plan 2.
Alright, y'all, so we're losing daylight. The last thing we're gonna do is stick this over here and revisit it tomorrow.
Yeah, I think so. It's kind of higher up and straight. So the wires are at the bottom and we can tuck them underneath
Yeah,
the
the plan is that
rubber mat.
we can tuck them underneath the rubber mat, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, and slip that one right in there, red, and I don't think we're going for the black. I'm gonna say the black, I guess. Anyways, morning. It's the next morning, and today we're gonna be working on sticking these clips on the end of this right here. And so you clip them together. And then this bolt right here, nut screw thing, we're gonna stick it like this and then screw it back on. And so that'll be the positive, and then we'll do the same thing for the negative if we can. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're going to So we got it in on these two things, and it took a lot of finagling. We cut out, there's like foam under this, so we had to cut out a little section to get this to come in here and go down smoothly. So I guess all that's left to do is get the plate. Where's the plate? Here. Right here. Got the plate back on, got everything situated. Be careful how you say that. And well, everybody, that's going to be it for this video. The lights look awesome in the inside, and I can definitely see us doing this another year. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.